And I'm back with the Halloween up with Jan's Crazy Life to do her altered book, Halloween style altered book. And so part of that is it has to have 31 pages, actually 32 pages, and every page has to be decorated. That is a lot of pages. So what I thought that I would do is while I was prepping my book and prepping my pages, that I would be creating various different embellishments and the types of sort of inserts that I would like to have for this book. And so one of the things is tags. So I figured while I was prepping my pages, I would also be working on these other different types of things that I thought I would either put in my book, use to decorate the book, etc. And that way, when my book was finally ready to be decorated, I would have a lot of these pieces ready to go because these things can take a lot of time, but they are fun to make. So I prefer not to be rushed. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the tags. So the first tag, it's kind of boring because this actually comes in one of the Tuesday morning ephemera packs. And that was another thing, was I wanted to challenge myself into using sort of Halloween stuff I have in my stash, which I don't have a ton of Halloween stuff, but Halloween stuff in my stash and all the lovely Tuesday morning goodies that I've been collecting in all of my hauls. So it's another thing too, is really to try and use what I have. And so maybe some of you guys will recognize some of the items in here so that if you have them, it might inspire you to make some things. So all I did was tie some tulle, which I had hauled from Hobby Lobby on that one. This is a black tag that I actually had gotten from Tuesday morning. It already came kind of ready to go. And all I did was use some stickers I got from Tuesday morning. This is Tuesday morning as well. And some of these tags are made out of chipboard. So I have a lot of chipboard from scrapbook albums that I make. I will save the chipboard that I cut off, and generally it's usually not big enough to really do a lot with it, but it is perfect for making tags. So this back side, I've got this, and I didn't seal the sticker all the way through, so you could put another tag in there or a picture, whatever that you wanted to do with that. And so I also used kind of my new favorite little tool. I use this quite a bit, is the We Are Memory Keepers little hole reinforcer. I use that quite a bit. So I just tied some old Stampin' Up ribbon I've had in my stash, and then this actually I just hauled this from Hobby Lobby, which is some of this, I forget what it's called. It's called hemp cord. And I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I just hauled it. So this is paper from My Mind's Eye from Tuesday morning, and this is from one of the ephemera packs that I also got from Tuesday morning. And same with this. And then this is paper from Tuesday morning. I had this ribbon in my stash, and this is another chipboard tag. This time I covered it on both sides, and I kind of just made a little spot here that you could put a picture, you could do journaling, and then this flips up and it gives you a spot for a picture, journaling, whatever you want to do with that, and all from the Tuesday morning collections. And then this also was from one of the ephemera packs that I got from Tuesday morning. People recognize this sticker. This is the pink, I think it's pink paisley. Cute, right? And so this is the Hobby Lobby tool that I just hauled. And I did a little bit of stickles on the stars, just so it sparkles a little bit. And then the back I left plain because it's just a manila tag that I covered. This is another chipboard tag that I created, and this one I used my Lawn Fawn stamp set. I think it's called Booyah. And so I just stamped them and colored them with Copics. I did add a little bit of stickles here and there. And then this is a chipboard sticker it's from Tuesday morning. It's from one of the packs that I hauled. And again, with that tool from Hobby Lobby. And then the back side, this is an ephemera piece that I also got an ephemera pack from Tuesday morning. So go. And then my favorite are these last two tags that I made. So this is a really big tag that I used Tuesday morning My Mind's Eye paper that I got and tied some ribbon I had in my stash. And then this is a stamp set from Julie Nutting, can't remember the name of it. I think I already put it away. She's humongous. So I had to make a humongous tag. She's really huge. So I stamped her out, and then I just colored her in, and then I added some stickles. I have a lot of stickles from my Rangers Stickles warehouse box that I had gotten. So I just stickled her up with purple stickles. I've got her broom, and then I have this cat sticker that I had found on one of the sticker sheets I got from Tuesday Morning. I have this kind of wonky trim in my stash, so I just attached that on there. And then this ephemera piece is also from an ephemera pack I got from Tuesday Morning. I just put it on black cardstock and cut around it so that it would pop a little bit more. And I love how she came out. And it's a huge tag, and it's on chipboard, so it's really sturdy. The back side is free to do whatever. And then this one, this was actually from, shoot, I forget what, but it was packaging. So it was packaging left over from some kind of embellishment that I had purchased. And so I kept the backing, and all I did was cover it with some paper. I used one of these webs that I also hauled and just attached it. It's kind of loose because I only kind of attached it in certain spots because there's a lot. And then this is another Julie Nutting stamp set, and she is much smaller. You can see comparison, how much smaller she is. And so I just colored her in with my Copics, and this particular stamp set, actually they both came with dies. So I think this one I might have cut her out. I think I cut her out. She didn't have a die. Same with her cat, so actually I cut these out. And then I just added some stickles to her mask. And then this is another sticker from a sticker sheet that I also hold in my Tuesday Morning. I think it's in the haul that I do that says something about awesome Halloween or big Halloween haul or something like that. My one awesome Halloween or something like that. That particular haul got a lot of Halloween stuff. So all I did was cover it with the My Mind's Eye paper, put the web down, and colored in my pieces, cut them out, and attached them. They're on foam. And then this one, I actually used a little bit of glue to keep it down. And then the back is plain to be used however the person will want. And this is going to go in my altered book. I am working on some other pieces as well, and I will share those embellishments and items with you. So probably be one more video on those pieces, and then it'll be the big reveal of the book before I mail it out. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.